The Super Duke hit 650 miles, so it was time to change the oil and filter. Let's take a look at this first service event. First, I removed the front screen. As you can see, a lot of oil leaves the case when this is done. Then, I removed the rear screen. Not as much oil escapes from this opening. Next, I removed the filter cover. And then the filter. I used a pair of Rainbird pliers I picked up from Home Depot. They are actually meant to lift the centers out of sprinkler heads. Then I replaced the filter. The front screen had some gunk in it, as you can see here. And the rear screen also had debris inside, as you can see here. So I cleaned everything with mineral spirits. And blew it all out with compressed air. Once the screens were clean, I reinstalled the front and then installed the rear. Fill the crankcase with 3 liters of oil initially. Start the engine and run for a few seconds. Then add up to a ½ liter more oil, or until you see the level at the right part of the upper section of the sight glass. And we're done.